Hi, Rodger Wynn with Bucher Recyclers. This is a nozzle set for our piece of equipment. This is our most common used nozzle, the grenade. This is one with a rear-facing nozzles for pulling your material back out of the lines. This also can have a penetrating nozzle on it. It's the most common one we use. This particular nozzle is just a smaller version of this. Still, we can insert a penetrating nozzle, and on our nozzles they're all jetted to match the operation of our piece of equipment. When you're in the process, if you get to a line that has a major blockage in it, if we go to this wedge nozzle, it's designed for the purpose of busting through a dam or whatever's in the line to open the line up so you can get that and go back to your larger nozzles. If you're cleaning lines that has root systems in it, or however, we can go to this Bulldog Nozzle. It's set for our truck. It has a rotating head on it. It goes in, it'll remove the roots out of the lines, and that's on that. This truck also has a smaller jetting hose on it. We have nozzles for the smaller jetting hose. Get them all out here. The smaller version of the grenade, a jetting for the smaller lines, and then a penetrating washdown nozzle for the small jetting hose. And this would be our kit that comes with our truck for every purchase.